Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to clear browsing data in Brave browser on Windows 11 or 10 PC. For this, first open Brave browser on your Windows PC, then click on this one menu icon in the top right corner and select settings in the drop down menu. Under Brave settings, select this one privacy and security in the left sidebar. On the right, you will find this one privacy and security section. Under this, click on this one clear browsing data. Here, you can select this one basic option and change the time range from last hours to all times. And in case you want check or uncheck the options here, and then click on this one clear data button. In case you want to clear more data, again click on this one option and switch to this one advanced tab. Here you can, apart from this browsing, download history, cookies and other details, you can also clear passwords, autofill data, site seals settings, hosted app data. Check all these options and click on this one clear button to remove everything from this one Brave browser on Windows PC.